Yo, welcome back to the Nate versus Everybody channel. Today we got something a little bit different. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to change the oil on a Can Am Ryker. It's a Can Am 900 Ryker. My cousin actually just bought one of these a couple months ago. Had to change the oil, and I actually just got a call. He's actually pulling up any second now. So we're going to walk out and see where he's at. What we're going to be doing is obviously just getting that all changed, seeing what we can do with that, and showing you guys how to get it done. So here he is. Oh yeah, look at that thing. She's nasty. Go ahead and pull it back. That thing's nasty, man. Hopefully my neighbors don't get upset. Hey man, you gonna piss all my neighbors off. Yo, so what's up? No, you fine, bro. This is my house. I don't give a fuck. Hey, but this thing's nasty, man. Obviously, y'all can already tell this boy can do burnouts. And you know, we like to have fun with all our toys out here. So what we're gonna do today, of course, we're gonna show the, oh my god, this thing is beautiful. This thing's crazy. So yeah, what we're gonna do today was gonna get the oil changed on this thing, change the oil and get on the way. Maybe we'll have a little fun later. You did a burnout, maybe I gotta do a burnout today. Let's see what we can do. All right, let's get into it then. All right, Vontae, so tell me about this. What we got here, man? What we got here?
Man, it's the BRP Can Am Ryker. It's 900 Ace Rally Edition.
Hey, okay. I hear these things got what kind of motors they got in this?
It's snowmobile motor.
Snowmobile?
Snowmobile.
Wow, that's crazy. That makes sense.
It's not your average motor. It's automatic, by the way. It's no clutch to it. It's all automatic. It has a standard brake like your regular automatic vehicle.
That auto gang.
Yes, sir. And then it also has security features to make sure nobody can take it from you.
What?
So you have to do so much stuff just to get it going. But I'm not gonna give you all of that because then you'll be able to take it from me.
Ah, okay, yeah, we want to show the people how to do that. We ain't gonna show you how to steal it today, but man, this thing is beautiful. You got that pearl white color. Oh my god, just look at it, beaming off the sun.
And it's not even done. All the attachments is not even on it.
Oh yeah, stay tuned for that. Of course, you know when he gets something new, I'm gonna tell him to pull up on your boy so we can take a look at it. All right, let's go ahead and get right into the action. We're gonna go ahead and get that oil change today and show you guys how to get done with it. So see you later. And this is the kit that we're going to be looking at. You can actually buy this oil change kit from, like, I think we got it from a power sports store. So as you can see, it comes with the oil, also comes with the filter in it as well. So that way, you know, everything you need comes right in the box. Let's go ahead and get her opened up. Let's see what we got going on here. Almost ripped that mug open. Y'all ever seen that that video of Dennis Rodman opening up some Yeezys? He opens it up like a madman. I'm gonna put that clip in right there.
All real, right? I'm just gonna open it up.
Oh my God! Slide it. Wow, it's like Christmas.
What we're looking at right here. So it looks like this thing takes about 3.5 quarts. So super easy, and it has the filter right here, right in the box. Bought this all in the kit, and it has a gasket. Looks like it has a gasket and washer here as well, so that way we can get all that changed today. Oh yeah, fresh little filter right there. All right, so let's go ahead and let's make this happen. we had to cut it short. It got cold, real cold, back down in like 30-degree weather, so he got to get up out of here. But we did get the oil change. We got it all finished up. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Vontae, we're gonna see you again soon, right?
Definitely.
Absolutely,
We'll have some
absolutely.
enhancements next time, though.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have some new stuff on this boy. But he had to get out of there. Like I said, it's really cold. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get everything all cleaned up. But thanks again for watching. Hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys want what new stuff you guys want to see. What kind of new content you guys want me to see, stuff with the bike, stuff with the car, absolutely anything. If you got some good ideas, let me know. And peace out and see you guys later.